Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change number of product in related product slider per page for desktop, tablet and mobile using plugin in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in single product page and we are using plugin. Then scroll down in related product slider section. So we edit product. Now you see by using slider. So we are going to change number for related product slider for desktop view, mobile view and tablet view by using plugin setting. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write related product for WooCommerce. So this is plugin related product for WooCommerce we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see related products, so click on it. Now plugin setting open and then scroll down, you see multiple option and then you see number of product to display on slider per page, desktop, tablet, mobile. So you can do setting according to your requirement and then you see number of product to display. If you want you can increase it. So we are going to show 4 product to display on slider per page, for tablet 2, for mobile 1. So you can do setting according to your requirement and then click on save changes. Now setting saved. Go to single product page and refresh the page. So in desktop view you see 4 product per slider. Now go to mobile view. So click on activate mobile view on this page. Now mobile view open and then scroll down and then you see related product. Only 1 product show per slider. Now click on slide. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.